babayaran natin?
Ang per head rate po natin is 1,138 times yung guaranteed 100, which is 113,800,000 po.
Okay.
Plus yung discount natin for big group promo, 40%, which is 45,520.
Okay.
Ang total bill po natin is 68,200.
Okay. So ito yung bagong bukas na Vikings dito sa Eastwood. Papareserve tayo sa Vikings, good for 100 packs. At tayo ay magbabayad na ngayon. Let's go! Down payment lang naman. So first time natin here. And of course, dahil first time, excited tayo na makakain dito. Pero for now, magbabayad lang muna tayo ng ating down payment kasi yung pakain nakaschedule next week, Friday. So ito yung entrance nila. Let's go! Miss, we have a reservation.
Meron na po.
Meron na. Yes.
Tay. Ano yun, sir? Lunch po or
Dinner. Ay, nag-open here.
Yung February 1 po.
Medyo bago lang. Okay. Saan kami pwede?
Diyan na lang po.
Okay.
Hindi pa nakita yung area no, sir?
Hindi pa, can I check?
Function rooms po sa
Sige. Can I see? Since bago tong Vikings dito. Alright, so ito, good for how many people to?
Ito po, magkakatabi na to, sir. This is good for 72.
72.
Bali, i-add natin yung dulo. Kaya lang medyo nakaiwala yun. That's for 30.
So parang ganon. Parang ito, from here to there. Yun yung 100. This one is good for 30 people and the other one is good for 70. So parang two areas pero magkatabi lang naman. Okay, good. Sasign na natin yung contract and while waiting, ayan, may free drinks tayo from them. Dapat lang 100 packs yung natin, babayaran. Alright, we got our free drinks. Thank you. While waiting, nauwaw na tayo. So, let's go ahead and drink. Ang sarap talaga nito guys. Itong Vida Salty Lychee. Nagugustuhan ko talaga yung lasa niya. So, bawas tanggal init ulo. So, kailangan natin mag-fill out.
Ang per head rate po natin is 1,138 times yung guaranteed 100, which is 113,800,000 po.
Okay.
Plus yung discount natin for big group promo, 40%, which is 45,520.
Okay.
Ang total bill po natin is 68,200.
Okay. Alright.
Tapos for down payment po, we're required to have 75% down payment. So today po ang kailangan bayaran is 51,200.
51,210 pala. Okay, should be good. Ay, sign. Okay, sign. Ayan. Perfect. We're settled. Kaya nakapagbayad na tayo guys. Ready na tayo para sa pakain sa Friday. Bye!